Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Oracle deck review. Keeping on theme for Halloween, we have Witchlings by Paulina Cassidy. Super cute little box. I'm already in love with it. So I believe this retails for under $20. Correct me if I'm wrong. I got it on Amazon, so there was a little bit of a deal with the Prime. This is US Game Systems Inc. And it was copywritten in 2014, so I'm pretty sure that's when it was published. Correct me if I'm wrong. So let's see what the back has to say. It says Paulina Cassidy introduces her 40 wonderful witchlings in this enchanting new deck and book set. The witchlings share their easy and uplifting spells to help you access your own energy and natural abilities. The 200-page Witchling books of spells includes clear instructions for more than 150 spells with tips and insight from each individual witchling. Whether used for incantation or inspiration, witchlings will help you reach your positive goals. So already I'm super in love with it. Super on theme for Halloween. It is a beautifully thick and durable box. So those of you who love to keep your decks in their original packaging, this will take some wear and tear for sure. Okay, so opening the box, there's the cards, and it was 40, right? 40 inspiration cards, yep. Okay, so here's the book. That is a nice little thick book here. Little spot in the back for notes. There is definitely some spells in here. And let's see, I won't go through all of it, but you can use it as an oracle deck, or you can use it for meditation or your spell crafting here. This is super cute. Lots of good info. Happy to see that. And then it goes into each of the cards' meanings. Let's see, meanings, and then some spells that are inspired by the card or that you can use the card for. Super cute. Awesome. Okay, that is really awesome, awesome, awesome to see. Okay, so let me go ahead and take this off real fast. I hate doing this because I don't want to ruin the cards. The back is adorable. Very dainty looking. I love it. Pastel-y purples, super pretty. Very cute. I love like the little watercolor down here too. All right, so they're a thinner card, but they're flexible and there's some firmness to it. So I don't think anybody should have a problem with these. I think it's a really good workable cardstock. And it's a little glossy, but not too bad. There are borders, so those of you who do not like borders, I'm sorry. But let's get into it. That is so cute. So abundance. So I won't read every single one, but I just kind of want you guys to get a feel for how the card would look and read when you lay them out. So it says, harmonize your thinking with exactly what you desire to attract, and the universe will deliver. So this is abundance. Okay. Super cute. I like how there's a little phrase about the card. They feel good in your hand. The edges are not rough. I like how all of the borders are different colors. That's fun. There's this cute little owl, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Creativity is a natural part of you that can be ignited and developed. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. What a fun little set. It's very positive, very, very positive deck. And it's fun. It's super fun. And it's like perfect for any age group, at least from what I can tell by the cards. It's not negative. It's not super heavy. It's just fun, and what a great way to add it to your tarot readings or just your everyday pull a card, meditate. As I say meditate, meditation comes up. So like a one-a-day pull what to kind of focus on that day. Super sweet. The art is just adorable. I'm over the moon with the art. So I'm excited to see how they shuffle. They're a good, decent size too. They're not too cumbersome. Super cute. Oh, that owl is just giving me all the smiles right now. I just love it. Very, very cute. I think this is the last card, and wish. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm excited to use them. Okay, so let's see how they shuffle, yeah? Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, they're not cumbersome at all. They are very easy to handle, easy to maneuver. Yeah, I really like these. I like these a lot. All right, you guys, I have nothing negative to say. I actually want more cards because of the art and just the cuteness factor. And just you feel so much positivity coming from not only the art, but the cards themselves. I don't know. It's a weird thing of mine that I mention, but some of you understand it. But it's a very positive and uplifting card. We got imagination that popped out. Super cute. It says imagination intrigues the soul and illuminates the heart. So sweet. I'm in love. So let's just, okay, so since imagination popped out, let's take a look at imagination here real fast. Did I pass it? There we go. Narrowly casts such wondrous spells that come straight from imagination. Her style flows forth oh so naturally in her creative incantations. Oh my God, that's so cute. All right, and so there's a paragraph that says, imagination makes magic happen. The Witchlings sometimes refer to this as imagication. Your imagination can make your day much more exciting and interesting. By embracing imagination, you feel much more calm and motivated. Expand, treasure, and nurture your imagination. Your natural powers of inner vision will keep you in touch with the core of your unique creative approach. If you think that you have no imagination, this isn't so, for there is no such thing. If you can see it in your mind, then you have recognized your imagination, which can be developed and strengthened. Imagination intrigues the soul and illuminates the heart. By looking into the mind's eye and believing in things that are beyond the naked eye, you can escape into the world of the unknown, thus bringing back with you a bounty of new ideas, images, and insights to feed the creative spirit. Perform one or more of the following spells, and your imagination will take you places you've never been before. So vision quartz, word mosaic, potpourri of imagination, and anti-routine routine. Cute. Oh my gosh. And look at that little owl. Ah, I love it. Oh my gosh. Absolutely adorable. What a creative and great idea. So not only you can use it for an oracle, but you can use the spells that are in there to really help motivate and really put forth the card, the advice, the divination that you were doing. That is super cute, super creative. I'm thrilled and over the moon with these cards. I absolutely love them. I'm going to be definitely working with them, and I'll probably be adding them to the pick a card readings too, because of their straightforwardness and their just sheer positivity. I love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is this something that you would pick up for yourself? Is this something you would use? Would you do the spells, or would you just strictly use them for the divination process? Is this up your alley? Because it is right up mine. I absolutely adore it. If you have enjoyed this video, if this was something that you would like to purchase or like to go out and investigate for yourself, let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do that as well, because I have pick a card readings, crafting videos, and more tarot and oracle decks as well on the channel, and more coming your way. And if you have not yet hit that notification bell, do that as well, because I do not have a set upload schedule. I kind of film and upload when I can around my quote unquote day job. So also let me know if there is a oracle or tarot deck that you want me to open up and review on my channel, because I will try and get my hands on it and do that for you. I have the archetypes from Wild Unknown coming this week, I believe. So keep a lookout for that video. I'm super excited about that as well. So let me know if there's one in the comments that you want me to review, and I will do that as well. All right, you guys, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.